What's wiggling Warenoticers? It's your boy, Mr. CEO, Big Daddy Shane Mumma of this beautiful, awesome, fantastic technology YouTube channel that is Warenotice. And guys, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this bad boy right here, the brand spanking new Marshall Emberton portable Bluetooth speaker. So folks, without further ado, let's get to getting this bad boy out of the box, baby. Here we go. Warenotice, I got the tech and you already know this. Straight out the box and straight to your screen. I'm making tech vids oh so clean. Warenotice, making them wiggle and wiggle like Warenotice. 4 years later now, who want beef? I got subs and they watching me. And folks, here we are up close and personal with this box. As you can see on the front, it says 20 plus hours of portable playtime. Definitely a good thing. That's almost a full day straight. Obviously a day is 24 hours. Right here we also have a picture of the speaker as well as a tattooed arm holding it. We have the name Emberton right here and we have the name Marshall right here. Now over here on this side of the box we've got some more information about it. Sealed portable speaker with dual passive radiators. It comes in the black color obviously, and over here we have some of the other features. It's got signature sound, once again 20 plus hours of portable playtime. It's IPX7 water resistant, definitely once again another good thing about it. And also it has multi-directional control knob on it. It's a portable speaker obviously, and it uses Bluetooth obviously once again. Over here on this side of the box we have once again another picture of the speaker as well as its name, the Marshall Emberton. And yeah, anyway folks, let us open up this box. Now to opening up the box, we can just open this up right here, and I already cut right here and right here, so we can just pop the top off just like that. Now move this, move these, and establish 1962. That's pretty cool. Marshall, I guess, is a reasonably old company right there. Now we can pop this all out, pop that little cardboard piece, and here is the actual speaker. Before we open this up, let's see what else is in the box with it. We've got some paperwork right here. Marshall Emberton portable loudspeaker. Makes sense, that is the name of this product. And yeah, we can put this paperwork to the side. We've also got a little charging cable right here. This bad boy is going to be a USB-C to regular USB cable. And yeah, now we can put the actual box to the side and let us see what the speaker looks like. So we can just take this little protective cover off the speaker, and wow, here it is. And wow folks, look how cute and tiny this guy is. It's got the Marshall logo right there, and actually don't be fooled by its size because it does weigh a little bit. It's got a little heft to it. That's pretty nice. So yeah, it definitely feels like a solid, substantial speaker so far. Let's take a closer look at it right here. We've got a little button right here with the Bluetooth logo next to it. We've got this cool little retro style button right here with a skip to the next track, skip to the previous track, minus and plus indicators right there, and we've also got this little battery indicator right here. So you know what folks, let us actually fire this speaker up and get to using it. Actually right here is that USB-C port for charging it up, definitely important. So yeah, let's get this bad boy connected to my iPhone, baby. So now to do that, first we're going to want to turn this bad boy on, and to do that you're going to want to press this control knob right here for 2 seconds. So 1, 2, and let's see. Ooh, did you hear that nice little guitar noise? And there, that battery indicator just lit up. So let's get this connected to my iPhone. We can pop over to settings, then to Bluetooth, and let's see. And just like that, there this bad boy is right there, Emberton. So we can click on it and wait for it, wait for it. Ooh, it says connected, and the little bad boy made a noise, so let me try listening to some music on it. Woo! And folks, just like that, I actually just finished listening to a couple different songs on this speaker to see how music sounds on it, and I will say the audio on this speaker actually sounds good, so I'm definitely happy about that. And I was actually listening on max volume, and good news guys, this bad boy, although it has a really small and compact size, it definitely can get really loud, especially for the size, so it definitely packs a punch. Anyway guys, let me show you what I mean by all this. Unfortunately, I can't really play someone else's song in this video for copyright reasons, so instead I'm going to be singing along to one of my own songs. Here we go, singing along to the Warenotice Wiggle 4.0, baby.
Walk with a knot in my pocket, 2 phones in the other, but you cannot call it.
You getting blocked and I'm blowing up my everyday, yeah, that's what I call it. I walk the walk, no needing to talk it. I already bought it and you haven't saw it.
I'm balling out. End of discussion. Pull up with tech. I've always got something.
I get the bag, let him think that I'm broke.
Hermes my wrist and Gucci's my throat. There's no debate.
Yes, I am the GOAT. How many phones are under my coat? Pick what you want, I'm the one buying. Hop in a lamb, it sound like a lion.
I'm on that hustle, I'm always grinding. Flex like a muscle, big check what I'm signing. Hey,
wallet full of blows, I'ma blow like a tissue. 99 problems, but you not an issue. Hands real clean, but I'm sicker than a big flu. Leave for a minute, it's Big Daddy, we missed you. Eyes bloodshot, no sleep through the night. Blood, sweat, and tears, freeze the ice outside. Big body Chevy, never parked too tight. Big Daddy, hold it down, we gon' be alright. Warenotice, 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 Warenotice. I got the tech, and we already know this. Straight to the box and straight to your screen. I'm making tech vids oh so clean. And there you go, folks. There was the Warenotice Wiggle 4.0 playing at max volume on the Marshall Emberton portable Bluetooth speaker right there, as well as me singing along a little bit to that song. I do love that song, that's why I make it. And yeah, guys, like I was saying, this speaker definitely sounds good, especially when you consider the size and also the price. It's only will set you back about $150. So yeah, I definitely like this bad boy so far. Anyway, yeah, guys, one more thing I'm going to talk about this speaker is actually this control knob on the top and how you can use it to control your music. So if you just press this control knob once, it's going to play your music. If you press it again, it's going to pause your music. Like I said earlier, if you hold it down for 2 seconds, it's going to either power off or power on your device. That's definitely important to know how to turn on and off this speaker. And yeah, also if you click the control knob in a specific direction, just like that, let's see, can we see this up close? Just like that, for example, up with the plus button right there, that would turn up the volume. And if you do the opposite towards the minus button right there, that would turn down the volume. So yeah, folks. Anyway, this has been a nice, quick, easy unboxing of the brand spanking new Marshall Emberton portable Bluetooth speaker. Once again, if you want this bad boy for yourself, it'll set you back about $150. So yeah, guys, be sure to let me know what you think about this speaker down in the comments. I do read all the comments, by the way, because I do really, honestly, love hearing from you guys. And yeah, guys, if you enjoyed this video, definitely be sure to smash that subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. After all, guys, I do love all my subscribers, so if you want my love, you know what to do. Smash that subscribe button and I'll love you. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching and thank you so much for subscribing. Warenotice out with the Marshall Emberton, baby. Bye.